Professor Venkata Raman.
Welcome all the invitees who have assembled here to hear the endowment lecture being organized by Andhra University in honor of Professor S. Venkata Raman, who is a most renowned and a most revered teacher of law and a great jurist par excellence. I welcome each one of you. Now, I request our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor G. Nageswara Rao, to please come on to the dais and take his seat on the dais and assume the charge of being president for this academic event. Thank you. V. Uma Maheshwara Garu to come on to the dais and occupy his seat. Registrar of Andhra University welcomes the academic event. Hon'ble Justice Lavu Nageswara Rao, Hon'ble Justice from Supreme Court of India, and I request Professor V. Uma Maheshwara Rao to kindly accompany the chief guest onto the dais. Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence. And now I request Professor D.S.Prakasa Rao, Principal of Law College, to take his seat on the dais. Now I request Professor G. Nageswara Rao to continue with the proceedings of this event. Thank you.
Chief guest of and chief speaker of today's endowment lecture on the name of Professor S. Venkata Rao, Honorable Judge of Supreme Court, Honorable Justice Lavu Nageswara Rao, Principal of AU College of Law, Professor D.S.Prakasa Rao, Registrar Professor Raman Rao, distinguished invitees and friends from press and electronic media, very good morning to all of you. Andhra University has a great tradition of organizing endowment lectures on the name of great personalities of this country. There are about 15 endowment lectures organized every year by Andhra University, and today we have been organizing endowment lecture on the name of a great professor of College of Law, Professor S. Venkata Rao. On this occasion, I want to mention a few things about Andhra University for those who are not familiar with this university. Andhra University was started in 1926, way back 91 years ago. Then the first Vice Chancellor of Andhra University was C.R. Reddy, who was the member of the Legislative Assembly of Madras Presidency and who fought for a separate university for Telugu-speaking people. That's how this university was established on April 26, 1926. The second Vice Chancellor of this university was Dr. Hon'ble Justice, who subsequently became the first Vice President of Indian Republic, the second President of this great nation. The highest position of this university, and they brought name and fame to this great university. The present Vice President of India, Sri Venkata, also is the alumnus of this university. Particularly, he is from Law Department. This is the only university which contributed 2 vice presidents to this great nation, Dr. Hon'ble Radhakrishnan and Sri Venkata. And many great personalities served this university, like Sir C. Raman, a Nobel laureate in physics. Similarly, there are proud alumni and many luminaries who occupied their highest positions in their respective fields have been the alumni of this great university. That's how Andhra University has a great legacy, and as part of these endowment lectures today, we have been organizing this endowment lecture, and we are very grateful to Hon'ble Justice Lavu Nageswara Rao for gracing us this occasion and delivering the endowment lecture on the name of Professor S. Raman. With these few remarks, now I request Professor Prakasa Rao, Principal of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College of Law, to introduce the speaker to the audience. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Honorable Justice Lavu Nageswara Rao, Judge Supreme Court of India, who is the Nageswara Rao, Registrar, Professor Hon'ble Justice, dignitaries, invitees, student friends, teaching fraternity, law students of various colleges, a very warm welcome to this endowment lecture. Actually, after having 25 years lapse, we are organizing this endowment lecture again in 2018. The last endowment lecture on S. Venkata Raman endowment lecture was delivered by Professor V.S. Murthy, a renowned international law scholar, international jurist. And previously, Professor S. Venkata Raman endowment lectures were delivered by Hon'ble Justice Venkata Mohan Reddy on Indian federalism, and Justice K. Ramaswamy, who were the former judges of Indian Supreme Court. Justice K. Ramaswamy delivered a lecture on equality. So actually, as far as Venkata Raman is concerned, he is the first principal of Arts Commerce Law of Andhra University, and he is an authority on Hindu law, and he is praised for his remembrance. Even 100 students are there in the class, he will name each and every student by name. So it is a remarkable memory power of such gigantic personality. And Professor S. Venkata Raman made several students as important as judges and important persons in the public life. So in the name of Professor S. Venkata Raman, endowment lecture was instituted by his admirers and students and well-wishers. So from then onwards, Andhra University is organizing this endowment lecture in the name of S. Venkata Raman. Actually, this year, when we contacted Justice Lavu Nageswara Rao to deliver the lecture, he readily accepted in spite of his busy schedule. And as far as topic is concerned, he suggested me, you select a specific topic so that I can deliver a lecture which is useful to the law students. So accordingly, we selected the topic, dynamics of life, liberty, privacy and law. for which he readily accepted to deliver, for which I express my thanks to Hon'ble Justice. As far as the theme is concerned, as we all know, the democracy is not mere form of government, it is a way of life. Indian democracy is strengthened by day by the people for the last centuries together. And as far as the making of the Indian Constitution is concerned, when B.N. Rao, Venkata Nageswara Rao, the constitutional advisor, visited different countries on behalf of the drafting committee to get the suggestions, Justice Frankfurter, an academician turned judge, gave constitutional advisor to the drafting committee that there were no restrictions as far as freedoms are concerned under American Constitution, so that you specify the restrictions. Accordingly, Article 19 was inserted in the Constitution, restrictions were incorporated as far as system. So instead of due process, you take this procedure established by law. So as far as Article 21 is concerned, 21 says that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except the procedure established by law. So the life is interpreted by the Supreme Court in such a way, it is not mere animal existence. And life is understood by the Supreme Court as it is a decent life, life with human dignity, life with livelihood. So accordingly, Article 21 was widened in such an extent. So life includes everything. Decent death also, life includes decent death. As far as procedure, liberty is concerned, from Gopalan to Manaka, we have some type of restricted interpretation by the Supreme Court. As far as the liberty was, as far as that aspect is concerned, liberty was widened. Then the law is not any draconian law, it is a just law, fair law and reasonable law. And procedure is also just procedure, reasonable procedure, and so accordingly the scope of Article 21 was widened in such a way. So the present topic is so dynamic, so our justice accepted to give a lecture on this. So as far as the profile of Justice L. Nageswara Rao is concerned, at the time of his elevation to Supreme Court judgeship, he has roaring practice, and actually he was born on 8th June 1957 at Cherala, Prakasa district, Andhra Pradesh. He did his BL from Nagarjuna University, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. He enrolled as an advocate on 29th July 1982 at Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh. From July 1980 to January 1984, practiced at the District Court, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. From January 1985 to December 1994, he practiced at the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. From January 1995 to May 2016, he practiced at the Supreme Court of India. He was designated as a senior advocate by the Andhra Pradesh High Court in December 2000. He served as Additional Solicitor General of India from August 2003 to May 2004, and again from 26th August 2013 to 18th December 2014, and again third time also he was made as Additional Solicitor General. Then he was appointed as Judge of the Supreme Court of India on 13th May 2016. Actually, he has an illustrious life as an advocate. His advocate life is a model to each and every law student. Actually, when I searched this website, he was one of the highest paid lawyers in the country at the time of his elevation. After leaving his entire practice, he accepted to be the judge to